Hello everybody, welcome to Christian Weather Broadcasting. Repent and put your faith in Jesus because only He can save you from hell. If you'd like to know more, check out the gospel message in the description. Alrighty everybody, welcome to your Atlantic-wide tropical weather forecast. Let's look at the GFS model. You can see we have, I'll circle all the storms we have. We have Franklin, we have Jose, very tiny. Looks like, I think that could be Gert there. Remnants of Gert are reforming. Idalia and Tropical Depression 12. So Idalia is expected to re-intensify some. Those Tropical Depression 12 does seem like it may intensify more into a tropical storm. Jose is going to be destroyed by Franklin, and Franklin's just going to tootle around up in the ocean. So that is what's going on. Luckily, nothing major affecting land. Let's go to our 7-day outlook. We have Disturbance 2 here. A tropical wave is expected to move off west coast of Africa this weekend. Environmental conditions appear conducive for some gradual development of the system during the early and middle part of the next week, and a tropical depression could form while it moves westward to northwestward over the eastern and central portions of the tropical Atlantic. Formation chance for the next 48 hours, low near 0%. Through the next 7 days, 50%. We have Tropical Depression 12 forecast to become a tropical storm that will probably become Katia. Tropical Depression Gert, which will reform into a tropical storm. Gert had already existed, and the remnants are reforming. Post-tropical storm Idalia, where it'll bring tropical storm conditions to Bermuda. So it says tropical storm conditions are expected in Bermuda by Saturday. Heavy rainfall will likely cause areas of flash and urban flooding on the island. Let's go to our wind speed probabilities. As you can see, Bermuda is now in the 70 to 80, maybe 80 to 90% chance of tropical storm force winds. The arrival time of winds by Friday 2 p.m. tropical storm force winds are arriving in Bermuda. Here's our cone. You can see a tropical storm warning is in effect for Bermuda now. So be prepared in Bermuda for tropical storm Idalia, and Idalia is forecast to become tropical once again. We have Jose here, which is going to be gone by tonight because Franklin is shearing him off right now from the outflow. Jose has weakened 50 mile an hour, but the pressure did go down, but we won't see any further intensification out of Jose, and Franklin has winds of 75 miles per hour, 985 millibar pressure, and Franklin's just going to continue tootling on for a long time. 8 a.m. Wednesday we're now looking at in the future forecast, and it looks like, according to the GFS model, that Franklin could make it all the way to Spain or Portugal. But it looks like it'll weaken right before it gets there. So Franklin will be here for Actually, yes, it's going to weaken into a tropical depression before Spain and Portugal, but he's going to be a long while yet. He's supposed to stay here for quite a long time, so that's what we're looking at right now. Thank you for watching. Now let's go to your tomorrow's forecast. Alrighty, everybody, rain accumulation forecast. You can see portions of it looks like the panhandle of Florida portions could be experiencing a couple inches of rain. Nevada and Arizona also experiencing a couple of inches of rain. And tomorrow's temperature forecast, areas in the Midwest, some areas going up to 106 Fahrenheit. You can see some warm temperatures in the West Coast, some cooler temperatures in the mountains, and down in Texas some very warm weather, but overall you can see around 18Z is the time that this forecast is at. You can see a large portion of the country experiencing some warm weather, so get ready for some possibility of rain and also warm weather. Thank you for watching. This has been Christian Weather Broadcasting.